Hey friends, if caps lock indicator is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to turn the on-screen keyboard and I'll tell you why, but first I'll tell you how. Press Ctrl plus Windows plus O. This will open the on-screen keyboard. Click on the caps lock. Does it turn the light on for the caps lock and are you able to type in capital? Check it on a Microsoft Word document. Okay, it's typing in capital right now. So this means that the caps lock functionality is on from the system itself, though there may be an issue with the keyboard. So you'll have to check for the key physically. If it is an external keyboard, try connecting it to a different computer. But if it's an internal keyboard, then you'll have to get it checked by a hardware expert. Or before you consult a hardware expert, update the keyboard drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on the first one and select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.